In this video, we will teach you how to fill a glass with liquid and make this animation. Let's get started. First of all, press Shift A and add a cylinder. We are going to turn the cylinder into a glass. Press G then Z to grab and on Z axis. Go to Edit Mode. Select Wireframe. Select the entire bottom vertices. Now use S button to scale it. Select the entire top vertices and press E to extrude. Now select top face and press X, then delete faces. Let's select bottom vertices again and use Ctrl B to bevel. Cool. Select bottom face and press E to extrude. Then press S to scale. Press E to extrude a little again. Finally press S to final scale. We made the bottom of the glass. Now press A to select all. Then press E and right-click. Now press Alt-S and drag the mouse. Let's select this face and use Ctrl+ to select circle around. Go to Wireframe and press G to grab. Great. Go to Modifiers and select Subdivision Surface. OK. Go to Edit Mode. Let's select this face again and use Ctrl+ to select entire inside of glass. Press Shift+D to copy. Then press P and select Selection. Select inside part, and in Edit Mode press A to select all. Now press E, then right-click. Now press Alt+S and drag. Let's select inside part again. Press Alt+N. Select Recalculate outside. Now do this for outside part. Great. Now go to Object. Then go to Viewport Display and select Wire and Display As. Let's add a plane and scale it. Now add a sphere and scale it down, then grabs it. Select Sphere and go to Physics. Select Fluid. In Type Part select Flow. and in Flow type select Liquid. Then in Behavior select Inflow. Now select Inside of Glass. In Physics part select Fluid, and type on Effector. Then select Outside, Fluid, and Effector. Now add a cube. Scale it to take it all. Go to Wireframe. Select our cube. And in Physics select Fluid. Select Domain. In Domain type select Liquid. And let's play. You can see that the liquid starts to move and does not pass through the surface of the glass. Now select Sphere. Put CTI in the first frame. And in Use Flow add a keyframe. Then we go as far as we want the water to be cut off. I think 160 is great. Add a keyframe here. Then we're going to move forward one frame. And uncheck the box of Use Flow. Then add a keyframe. Let's see. As you can see, the water pours up to the 160 frame and then stops. Now select the cube. Go to Physics. In Type select All. Check the mesh. And in Cache select a folder for save on your computer. Finally select your final frame. Now click on Bake All. Wait a while for the process. Now select our plane, then go to Edit Mode. Select this edge and extrude it. As you can see, we need some light. Press Shift A and add an area light. Grab and scale it anywhere you like. You can also press Shift D and make a copy of your light and use it somewhere else. By the way, press Ctrl B to bevel our edge and then shade smooth. Now let's add a camera. Then press N and check the camera to view box. Now put it anywhere you like. Great. Let's add some material to the glass. So select it. Go to Material. Put the roughness on 0. And put the transmission on 1. Now go to Render. Put the render engine on Cycle. And device on GPU Compute. Look at how beautiful our glass has become. Okay. We need some material for our fluid too. So select it. Go to Material and put the roughness on 0 and the transmission on 1. Now choose any color you like. Select the plane and add color. Let's see what we did. It's fantastic, isn't it? Go to Output and select a folder on your computer to render our animation. Then put the format on FMPEG. And put the encoding on MPEG 4. You can put your max sample on whatever you want. It is true that the more it is, the higher the quality of the work, but the more the rendering time increases. Then go to Render and select Render Animation. Then just wait. Great. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe to us. Stay tuned for the next fascinating videos. Goodbye.